na amaro ka esi gbaa gị ọ na ị na-eme ife ị na-eme ada agarazi otu ikwesị ka ọ gaa ịmara ka ọ bụ chụka agbara gị ịmara ka ọ bụ many things are involved in this our Igbo land. Ị ga-eme ife ọ gbaghara gị, were ị ga-eme ife ọ ga-agwa gị ochi na-azụ ga-eme gịnị ga-agba gị ụchụ. The highest ụchụ a na-agba mmadụ n'ụwa bụ ụchụ agbara mmadụ abụ ọtọgba mmadụ. That one ewere n'ime kwatarizin. So how to remove that ụchụ and things will be going well in any way you find yourself. Listen to this video and share it to others to come across it and learn more and solve their problem that is around them with this thing I'm about to teach in no distant time now. Now, get me a bitter kola, which is akuinu in our dialect. I know akuinu. Get me bitter kola in English. I know bitter kola. And also get me alligator pepper in our dialect. I know ose oji. Get me these two of things. You will tell me that akuinu, which is I will tell them that akinu. Bear, that as well. Don't remove the back. Don't remove the back. Use your knife, cut it into 7. After cutting it into 7, you know that when you cut this thing into 7 and drop it, it will be drying. Yes. If you wake up in the morning, wash your face, wash your 2 hands. After washing your face and wash your 2 hands, then you go to that place you cut that 7 pieces and keep. Bring one of it, put it in your hand. Bring one alligator pepper, which is also oji. Also put it in the same hand, a body. Then you will go for a teacher or candle gede. Send na go po if open up trafia or choso, or chasing no. Ocho, nke ina marom be iji just were a kokosogi. Just be praying as you like your life to be. Anyone you don't like about your life. Sekwani maro as in nature this one in your life. Nkobri na choro na your life. Se nature ya. Nkobu nature. Gobo for otobu nature. Kando gedregi in this life we are into now. After you got charge your phone, then the next thing to do is that you bring salt, 1 pinch of salt. Just pinch of salt because no adron mana our system. Too much of salt is not good in our system. If you would that to know, you also put it in the same hand. After you got charge your phone, you will we tie. Some people will swallow it, but for me, I will advise you to chew it before you do what you swallow it. I will advise you to tie before you know ya. It has one the kurap baby naga. Nimeri go things after you do it, be doing it every morning, 7 days. What is the cut or that akino 7 days? Do it 7 days. You will see that things will be moving. You know, if you come to our Igbo land today, things just small thing igame, things that thing you think that is not going will be going. Without wasting any blood, without doing anything. Just small thing you will see me if I drag just small thing, but people the naka I think I know that is but be teaching our people some things they want to know so that they will save life. Our people are in pain. Mind you that after you are praying with that bitter kola and the osoja hitiri nakagi, don't pray bad prayer against your fellow human being that doesn't do you anything wrong. Don't pray bad prayer against your fellow human being that doesn't do you anything wrong. It will backfire you 100%. Eating that's your problem that you want to solve with times 100 in your life. Don't pray bad prayer with this alligator pepper and the akinu. Don't play bad prayer against your fellow human being that doesn't do you anything. Hear me loud and clear. Before you say, I do it does not work. Don't pray bad prayer against your fellow human being because it will backfire you 100%. I'm telling you reality. It doesn't send. It doesn't ask you for forgiveness. It will backfire you 100%. And they don't owe you no apology for that. So don't play bad prayer against your fellow human being. Rather, use it and pray for favor and good living of you. After you might even do all these things, then you worry and everything that is, if you monitor your life after that 1 week and once you are doing it, you know that things will be moving well for you. And don't forget every people to learn can also matter if I may That is why I'm telling you to share this program, nothing more. Share it for other people to learn. Don't learn only you. If you learn, pass it to your fellow nearest neighbor for him or her to learn also and put it in practice.